Namaste, friends. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest in technology, spirituality, and everything in between. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of AI, specifically the brand new AI tools launching next month that are set to transform the way we work, create, and connect. Are you ready to discover the future? Let's begin. Imagine a world where you can describe an image in your mind, and within seconds, it appears before your eyes, more realistic, more detailed, and more accurate than ever before. This is becoming reality with Google Imagen 4. Rolling out soon, Imagen 4 is Google's most advanced text to image model yet. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, or just someone who loves to experiment, you'll be able to create stunning visuals simply by describing them. And yes, it's coming to Google's Gemini API and AI Studio, making it easier than ever to access this power. But that's not all from Google. The company is also enhancing its AI mode in search. Soon, you'll be able to have real conversations with Google Search using your voice, ask follow up questions, and even see interactive charts for stocks and financial data, all powered by Gemini's advanced reasoning. Just imagine asking, how did Tata Motors perform this year? And instantly seeing a beautiful, interactive chart with all the details you need. Now, let's talk about creativity. Midjourney, famous for its AI-generated art, is taking things to the next level. Therein, EW Update lets you turn your images into videos instantly. Picture this, you create an artwork, and with a single click, it comes alive as a moving video. This feature, once limited to a select few, is now opening up to everyone, making video creation as easy as making a cup of chai. Speaking of creation, Anthropic's Claude is introducing something truly revolutionary, the Artifacts Library. This lets you build and share interactive AI powered apps just by chatting. No coding, or complicated steps. 1. A quiz app or a meditation timer? Just ask Claude, and it's done. This is a game changer for students, teachers, and anyone who loves to experiment. For those in marketing, the new Hagen product placement tool is a dream come true. Upload a product photo, write a script, and get a polished avatar video where the AI interacts naturally with your product. Imagine launching your own ad campaign in minutes without hiring actors or video editors. And for all the storytellers out there, 11. Labs Voice Design V3 is about to make your stories sound more real than ever. You can now create ultra-realistic voices, adjusting age, gender, and accent to suit your needs. Whether you're making a podcast, an audiobook, or a YouTube video like this one, the possibilities are endless. Now, Mac users, listen up. There's a new AI assistant called Ane coming soon. It's like having your own digital helper on your Mac, ready to clean up files, summarize documents, or even transcribe meeting. GS, all through simple voice commands. Google is also launching Labs Portraits, where you can chat with AI avatars of real experts for coaching and advice. Imagine getting career tips from a virtual Sundar Pichai or meditation guidance from a digital Sadhguru. And for advanced research, Perplexity Max and Perplexity Labs are rolling out new tools for building reports, dashboards, and even simple apps, perfect for students, researchers, and professionals. If you're a Samsung G Galaxy user, get ready for One UI 7 Beta's AI Drawing Assist. This tool will help you enhance your sketches and generate beautiful artwork right from your phone or tablet. Finally, DeepSeek's new DeepSeek Real model is about to make waves in the world of multimodal AI, handling text and images together for smarter, more intuitive results. So, what does all this mean for you? Whether you're a student, a creator, a business owner, or just curious about the future, these AI tools are opening G up new possibilities every day. Line between imagination and reality is getting thinner, and the power to create, learn, and grow is now in your hands. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more updates on the latest tech, spirituality, and innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring.